Do you want to practice English in a calm and happy way? Like a peaceful Sunday morning with family? Then come with us and spend this quiet Sunday morning together. Good morning, my lovely family. Time to wake up. The sun is shining.
Good morning, Jane. I smell coffee. Thank you for making it.
You're welcome, Max. Adam? Lily? Are you awake?
I am awake. I dreamed about big pancakes. Is it pancake day? My eyes are sleepy, Mama. 5 more minutes?
Come here, Lily. Let's open your eyes. Yes, Adam. Today is Pancake Day.
I will help. I can set the table. Adam, can you get the plates? They are in the low cupboard.
I can do it. 1 plate for me, 1 for Lily, 1 for Mama, 1 for Papa. I want the blue cup for my juice and the pink plate.
Okay, Lily. The blue cup and the pink plate for you. Be very careful. Do not spill.
Spill?
Yes, spill means the juice falls on the table, like this. Oh, I spilled a little milk.
Oh, I will not spill, Mama. I promise.
Should I get some paper towels?
Yes, please. They're under the sink.
I can help clean. I will get a cloth.
Thank you, Adam. You are a good helper.
Okay, let's eat. Be careful, the pancakes are warm.
These are delicious pancakes, Jane. Perfect.
Can I have more syrup, please? The sweet brown syrup?
Yes, Adam, here you go. Pour it slowly. Lily, do you want more banana on your pancake?
Yes, please. Banana is yummy. And 1 strawberry?
Of course. 1 red strawberry for you.
What day is it today, Adam?
It is Sunday.
That's right. And on Sunday, we have our family day.
So, what is our plan for today, family?
Well, first, we need to tidy the house. It is a little messy.
I can pick up my toys. They are in the living room. My doll is on the floor. I will get her.
Good ideas. After we tidy, we need food for the week. So we go to the supermarket.
Supermarket! Can I push the big cart? I see Grandma today and Grandpa.
Yes, Lily. After the supermarket, we will visit Grandma and Grandpa at their house.
That's right. So, 3 parts to our day. Tidy the house, go shopping, then visit family.
I am strong. I can help with everything.
Good, Adam. You can help Papa vacuum the living room carpet. Do you remember the vacuum cleaner? The big, noisy machine.
And Lily, you can help Mama in the kitchen. We can wash the breakfast dishes together.
I wash my blue cup and my pink plate.
Perfect. After cleaning, we will make our shopping list together. We need milk, bread, eggs, apples.
And maybe cookies for after dinner and for Grandma's house?
We will see. Maybe 1 treat. Let's start our wonderful day.
Okay, team, let's start. Adam, please put your books on the shelf.
Okay, Mama. This book is about cars. And this book is about animals.
I will collect the newspapers. Lily, can you give me that paper?
This one, Papa?
Yes, thank you. Good job.
Now, let's go to the kitchen. Lily, here is your small step stool. You can stand here.
I am tall now.
Yes, you are. Here is your cup. Can you wash it with the sponge?
I wash it. Soap is bubbly. Look, bubbles.
Very good. The bubbles make everything clean. Now, I will wash the big frying pan.
Adam, the vacuum cleaner is ready. You push it, and I will move the chairs.
Oh, it is loud. It sounds like a spaceship.
It does. Push it forward, then pull it back. Slowly. Good.
I am cleaning all the dirt. The carpet looks new.
Excellent work. Now, let's take the rubbish out to the big bin outside. Can you open the door?
I can open it. The bag is heavy.
We can carry it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift!
All done in here, Lily? Look at our clean kitchen.
What's next?
Shopping list.
That's right. Let's sit at the table. We need a pen and paper.
I have a pen. Adam, can you find a piece of paper?
Here is my drawing paper. Is this okay?
Perfect. Okay, what do we need? Lily, what should we write first?
Milk. For my cereal.
Good. M-I-L-K. Milk. Adam, what do we need?
Bread. For toast in the morning.
B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Good. We also need eggs.
E-G-G-S. Eggs. What else?
Apples. And orange juice.
Let's write fruit. F-R-U-I-T. We will get apples and bananas and orange juice. Do we need vegetables?
Yes. Let's write carrots and tomatoes. For salad.
C-A-R-R-O-T-S. I think that is a good list. Is everyone ready?
Yes!
Okay, team. Here we are at the supermarket. We need a shopping cart.
Me! I want to push it.
You can help Papa push it, Adam. Hold on right here. Lily, would you like to sit in the cart?
I sit. I am the captain.
You are the captain. Now, Captain Lily, first we need milk. Which way?
Milk is always at the back of the store. Let's walk through the vegetables first.
Look at all the colors. Green lettuce, red peppers, orange carrots.
We need carrots. Let's get 6 carrots. Can you count them, Lily?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carrots.
Perfect. Into the bag they go. Now, let's find the milk.
I see it. The big refrigerator with all the white bottles.
Yes, we need 2 bottles of milk, please.
1, 2. In the cart. Next is bread.
I see the bread. It smells good.
It does. Brown bread or white bread today?
Brown bread is healthier.
Okay, 1 brown bread. And maybe some small white rolls for soup later.
Good idea. Next, the eggs. They're very fragile. We must be gentle.
I will carry the eggs. 1 box of 12 eggs.
Now fruits. The apple section.
Let's get 6 red apples and a bunch of yellow bananas.
No green bananas. They are for monkeys.
That's right. We want yellow bananas. Can you find a good bunch?
This one. They are all yellow.
Perfect. And finally, orange juice and the pink yogurt for Lily.
And cookies, please.
Okay, 1 small box of chocolate chip cookies for after dinner.
Yay! Cookies!
I think we have everything on our list. Let's go pay.
Hello, my dears. Come in.
Grandma, I missed you. Hi, Grandma. We brought cookies.
Oh, wonderful. Hello, Jane. Hello, Max.
Hello? Something smells amazing.
That's my vegetable soup. Come in.
Grandpa, did you finish your puzzle?
Almost. I need help with the blue sky pieces.
I want to see the garden.
First, take off your coats. Would you like tea?
Yes, please. Can I help in the kitchen?
Of course. Lily, apple juice?
Yes, please.
Dad, how is your back?
Much better. Gardening helps. Adam, let's see the tomatoes.
Yay! Yay!
Lily, will you stay with us?
Yes, I help Grandma.
Thank you, dear.
We had a busy morning, cleaning and shopping.
Family Sundays are the best.
These are tomato plants. They will turn red soon.
They are so small.
And these are roses.
What's that bug?
A ladybug. It helps the garden.
Time to wash hands. Lunch is ready.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Lunch is ready.
This soup has vegetables from the garden.
I have carrots.
It's delicious.
Can I have a roll?
Of course. Adam, what did you learn at school?
About crowds and rain. I sang a rainbow song.
I want to hear it later.
Let's help with the dishes.
Thank you.
Adam, let's finish the puzzle.
The blue pieces. I sing my song now.
Beautiful, Lily.
We finished the sky.
Great teamwork.
It's getting late. Lily is tired.
I'm not tired.
Thank you for coming.
Drive safely.
Bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa. I love you.
We love you too.
We're home.
Let's put the shopping away.
I'll carry the light bag. I put my shoes away.
Bath time next.
Can we have one cookie?
1 small cookie each.
Pajamas, story, then bed.
Today was a good family day. Who is ready for a story?
Me! Me too!
1 short story each.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Good night, Moon.
My favorite part is sitting together.
Mine too.
They're asleep.
Another good Sunday.
Another family Sunday ends. We learn, we share, we grow together. These simple routines become our memories. Good night.
If this video helped you, please like it. Share it with someone learning English. Subscribe for a new English practice video every week. Thank you for learning with us. Goodbye.